So this next section, what are your discount blocks? We're going to talk about what your discount blocks. So based on the previous three, be wary of discounts, because if you give somebody a 10% discount, okay, and you're only operating on, say, a 20% margin, then you've basically given away 50% of your profit. Now margins now are even less, aren't they? So, you know, people are on like 4%, 10%, maybe 16%. So if you're giving away 10%, you're giving away more than 50% of your profit. So when we say, what are your discount blocks? Most people go, well, I'll tell you what, I'll give you 10% off or 20% off because it's easy, because they're round numbers, right? But with Price Waterfalls, you can say, well, I'll tell you what, if you pay in stage payments, or if you pay within 30 days, I'll give you 3% off. If you do this and this, I'll give you another 2% and another. And these are percentage blocks. So what could the percentage blocks be in your business that would give your customers a discount if they want a discount? Because remember, with Price Waterfalls, it's not only just discounting, it's also allowing you to justify the spend of whatever it is you're charging, right? So that's what it's doing. So just take a second to think about, what are your discount blocks in your business and what could they be?